What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanna and today I am back with another reaction. Today we're going to be reacting to Black Magic by Little Mix. This video was so highly requested and now it's time I finally do it, right? So today I gave you guys a poll on what you guys wanted to see. 3 highly requested videos. This video, Black Magic, and then they had Little Me and then Jessie and her 3 children. And it was a trick question. I'm going to do all 3 videos. So make sure you guys go check them all out. I'm going to have both of the other videos in the description box down below as well as on the screen. So definitely go check them out after you finish this video. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, all that good stuff. And other than that, let's get into the reaction. Okay, we're at school. Little Mix. Oh wow. That don't even look like them. Hey. Whoa, hold up. Jade. Oh wow. This reminds me so much of a movie already. I'm crying. Oh wow. Okay. This is giving me so much movie vibes and I love TV shows and movies and stuff like that. So I'm all the way interested. I forgot I was watching a music video. I literally forgot I was watching a music video. That is so funny. Okay, I'm confused. Whoa, hold up. Perry, you look flawless right there. But hold on. How are they so good at acting too? Like, I swear, these girls just keep surprising me. Like, how are you this good? Like, they're bodying this. I literally forgot I was watching a music video. Like, that's crazy. I thought I was watching a movie for a second. That's crazy. Ooh, I like that. Hold on, this is so trippy and lit. I love it. Hey, fire. Okay, no, this is too lit. They're over here levitating. Leanne just was fire bending like an avatar. Like, bruh. I get it. It's Black Magic, though. Hey. Now they bomb as hell. Look at that. The Black Magic turned them into whew. And now he looking at them and his girlfriend's like nah, sis. Okay, am I bugging? Or is everyone's face flawless right now? Like, their skin is ridiculously flawless. Like, I'm confused now. Like, come on. This gotta be a joke now. Take a sip of the... Hey, wow. No, this video has me cracking up. Can you believe this was 3 years ago? I think almost 4 years ago. That's nasty. Wow. They're violating. Yo, they are violating her. I'm crying. Wow. Damn, they really do have the recipe. Now all the girls want him. They really? Hey. Whoa. Hey. Everyone's skin is flawless. I know I'm not bugging now. Like, what filter is this? Cause I want it. Like, come on. I love that outfit. This video is so This video is so fun. Like, it's just like a calm vibe, like, and it's lit, and the video looks like a movie, and I be forgetting I'm watching a damn music video. I'm loving it so far. Absolutely loving it. Comment down below what you guys are thinking. Hey. Yo, the teacher. I'm crying. So wait, usually black magic is a bad thing, but I like how they kind of flipped it and, you know, made it like a lit thing. Like, I got the secret, you know? Hey. I really feel like I've been living under a rock again. Like, every time I watch your throwback songs like Power and now this one and Shout Out to My Ex, I feel like I've been living under a rock. Because, bro, how did I not know they exist? This song sounds almost familiar, almost familiar. So I probably did hear it, I just didn't know it was them. I've definitely never seen the video though. Oh, it's almost done. Goes done. Honestly, guys, I'm not even gonna lie. This video looked hella fun to film. Like, they look like they had a blast trying to film this. And y'all, like, that video, look at my face. I'm smiling on now. Like, I had a kind of day today. So, you know, I really didn't feel like myself. But after watching this, look at me. I'm back to oversharing, smiling all the time. This video was awesome. Like, it was just so, I don't know, it brought me back to Disney Channel vibes. I don't know why. Like, it really did. I loved the video. Like, 10 out of 10. I didn't even, like, usually I have to think. From a scale of 1 to a 10, that was an automatic 10, you guys. It was amazing. Like, that was lit. I really am feeling it. Comment down below what you guys rated from a 1 to a 10. It should be over a 10 or a 10. Because it was just, it started off like a movie. Ended, like, the whole thing, I love movie-themed videos. Like, music videos. And they were slaying, yo. Everyone's face was beat to the gods. Like, even the guys was looking flawless. I'm confused here. What kind of filter was that? Because I need it in my everyday life. I need it right now. Like, that was awesome. And all the magics. Oh, first of all, if you could have any superpower, what would it be? Comment it down below. I would definitely want to teleport. Because I could be here right now and be in England tomorrow. Oh, damn. That was a horrible accent. But you guys get what I'm trying to say. Teleportation sounds lit. And, everything they was just doing was lit. Like, they was levitating. Like, they turned into witches. Like, no, it was awesome though. Yeah, definitely one of my favorite videos from them. Like, it just, you know, it was just like, I didn't even have to, like, I can't explain it. It was just so chill. Like, I was just like enjoying it. It was super funny. They had a whole bunch of jokes up in there, and it was just calm. Like, I don't know if they had a meaning behind the lyrics. I feel like there really wasn't, because I'm used to every song having a meaning. Who knows, this is probably just like a fun song, but if there is a meaning behind this, let me know. And yeah, guys, overall, I think they were all popping. Like, everyone looked flawless in the video. Jessie was killing it. Her outfit was awesome. I love Jade. Jade always be looking lit. But yo, how they looked as nerds though, that was hilarious, yo. They looked crazy at the beginning, but I get it. The black magic made them come in through, like, whew, killing it. And they definitely did kill it. Leanne was looking awesome. Perry always slaying, like, always slaying my heart, always slaying my life. But yeah, guys, from a scale of 1 to 10, I can't believe it was that good. But no wonder, wow. It has almost 500 million views. Like, duh. The views don't lie, people. I did not even know that. I really thought, I didn't even see that at the beginning. But it was over 3 years ago, and it was clearly a hit. I don't know how I didn't know the song. I'm just glad that I've been awoken, because Jesus Christ, I was in hibernation or something. How did I not know they existed? But guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions you guys have in the future, for the future. And yeah, follow my social media. I'm gonna have my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat all on the screen, as well as in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check out The 2 other videos I'm going to be dropping today. If you don't see it right after this, then it's going to be in a couple of minutes probably. But definitely go check it out. I'm going to have Jessie and her 3 children up next. And Little Me, the reaction to Little Me. Everyone's been telling me react to it. So I'm going to have those 2 reactions down below in the description box down below. If you're early in your notification squad, you feel me, and you seeing this a little earlier than, you know, before I get to upload them, just know they're coming and look out for them. I love you if you watched till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video.